So if you can guess the missing word in the title, we'll reveal the full story behind it. Alright? Claro naman? Claro? Yes. So I'm sure you guys know everything about X, but let's see. Let's do a level test. Alright. So shall we take a look at the first hot issue, please. Here, okay. So it's X chosen as the master of blank. Oh, if someone is called a master, syempre, it should show something amazing, diba? If it's something that's pretty amazing. If pretty si Xiumin, amazing si Xiumin, syempre, master siya. But malalaman natin kung saan siya na master. So, can you guess? What do you think?
저는 정답을 알 것 같습니다.
I think I know the answer.
What is it?
에게의 달인?
Egyo? Master of Egyo?
Sa tingin niyo guys, ano yung tamang sagot? Bakit? Malalaman natin ang correct